response, which is usually occurs when you are in a danger situation or surprise situation, either being chased by a dog, being attacked by a bandit, being scared, being pranked. Other occurrences that make you feel surprise or fear. Your hypothalamus will then send nerve impulse to adrenal medulla. Adrenal medulla cells will then be stimulated to produce adrenaline and noradrenaline to allow this fight or flight response. This response will then cause an increase in 5 things: heart rate, respiratory rate, blood pressure rate, blood glucose level, and metabolic rate. Heartbeat is faster and you will feel your palms swelling because you are scared, and the body produces this to make you ready to fight or flight, either to fight back or to run away from the danger. So we are going to talk about how nervous system and endocrine system are going to be a part of this response. For the first feature, which is the communication method, nervous system uses a network of millions neurons to transmit information from using the nervous system. As for endocrine system, it uses ductless endocrine glands to transmit or transfer the information. Next up, we are going to talk about the duration of the effects. For nervous system, as they are small and fast, the duration of effects is only milliseconds or seconds. But for endocrine system, the effects can last up to days or even weeks. Third feature is how the signal is going to be delivered. For nervous system, the signal is going to be delivered using electrical impulse through neurons. While for endocrine system, it is going to be delivered through chemical substances, which is we call hormones, through blood flow. Fourth feature is the response time. For nervous system, the response time is shorter. In fact, it occurs in only about seconds to milliseconds. Look how fast it is compared to the endocrine system. It's going to take about seconds to a minute, a few minutes. Those are the comparisons, and we are going to go on to the fifth, which is the range of effect. As for nervous system, the range of effect is specific for only an organ, which means one organ at a time. As for hormones in endocrine system, the effect is widespread, which is the hormone will trigger a response in several organs at a time. Move on to similarities. For the similarities, there are 3 similarities between nervous system and endocrine system, which the first one is both system contains a target tissue or an organ, which refer to their 5 differences. The second one is both produces a response for a stimuli, which is they are being triggered or being active when a stimuli is present. Third is both are functions as to regulate all body's activity.